Yo, what's going on, everybody? I was just packing up the Outback for a vacation, not even kidding, and I noticed a little hack that I wanted to show everybody that maybe you did not know about, all right? So let's take a look. All right, so back here, right, we've got the rear area, right? The trunk, whatever you want to call it, the hatch area. Okay, so when you want to lift this up, right, and you're always like, oh man, I just, I need something to hold this up. Sometimes I'm like up in here, holding with my head like this, and I'm down here doing stuff, and it's just a hot mess. So anyway, for some reason, this thing was sticking out. I see this little hook right here when I go to open this. So pop it open again, zoom out, boom, take this hook, and holy crap, voila, you hook it right up here, and look at that, all right? Hands-free operation right up in there. No more balancing this with your head. Y'all can thank me later for that, or actually thank me right now by subscribing to my channel and turning on notifications. Hope this tip helped. Talk to y'all later. Have a great summer. Peace.